Let's go. I'm so in love with my Cadillac. Grown woman on my grill. I'm so in love with my Cadillac. Look at you, I'm a deal. I'm so in love with my Cadillac.
What's up, YouTube? I'm going to get that Cadillac. I know y'all ain't seen nothing in a minute, so I gotta go pick it up because it's been at the shop and just sitting there and getting no work done to it. So I need to bring it home. So now I'm going to pick it up. Finna go on. My wife over there trying to tell me to put my seatbelt on. But I'm going to pick this thing up so I can give y'all some good content. I need to see my car, man. I ain't seen my car by some months. Y'all been seeing some old stuff. Now y'all finna see some new stuff. Hopefully I can drop every week. But today you're gonna see me loading it up, bringing it home, getting it back to the crib, and getting some work done. Because we are still in this epidemic. And for anybody asking, yeah, I got my mask right here. I keep that mask with me. We're about to get some work done and give y'all some good content. So I'm gonna hit y'all up when I get there, get this thing loaded up. I'm about to go pick up the dolly so I can get it here. I tried to do a full trailer. Told me I couldn't do it because of the weight. So now I'm finna do something I don't want to do, which is put it on a two-wheel dolly and drag it, put it in neutral. But I ain't got that far to go, so I get it to the house and assess what I need to assess and get this thing ready to go. So I get back at you when I get to the U-Haul place and let you see me getting this thing locked in and get ready to go pick this car up. Alright, I'm gonna holler at you in a minute. I'm back. I couldn't get the camera turned around on the phone, so we loaded up. We got the dolly. We loaded up with the car. We got the dolly on, headed to go get the car. As you see, yeah, got my mask on. But I know somebody probably caught it like my wife caught it. I said epidemic about the pandemic. So that's what it is. So I'm on my way to go get this car. So I'm gonna hit you up when I get there. Take this little ride. Everything is good. We're gonna go get us a car. Get us a good old Cadillac. Alright, I'm gonna get back at you. What up with you, YouTube? I'm back at you. I'm over here with a car. So we about to go pick up a Cadillac, man. So we ready. Can't let you see my tag, man. We loaded up. You see that thing sitting right there. She ready to go home. So I'm gonna crank it up. Drag it up, put it on the trailer. Alright, let me get this thing ready. Yeah, YouTube. See, I'm having an issue, man. I gotta swap tires because this one keep going down. So I'm gonna put this ugly one on here on the front. Well, on the back, put this one on the front. So, see what we got. Get this thing down to the house. Yeah.
Put this on your Facebook page? On YouTube?
Yeah. You ain't see the last one?
You on?
Check where this mug leaking at. I wanted that. Wasn't meant.
Yes. Just missed. Come on now.
That thing got big. One down. See where the hole at on me. I'm gonna drive right it. This should hard enough. How long it took before this all went down? You remember?
Pour some water on it.
Put them other wheels on there and see if they fit. I got loaded up. Got the Cadillac on the back. And I'm finna take this thing to the house. Take it to the new home. And get it right. We're gonna see how it act. Going to the house. I'll get back at you when I get it to the house. Let me see what we doing. Alright. Man, I got so much stuff on my mind for this thing. You ain't on the camera. You ain't gotta worry about it. But, man, I'm so ready to get this thing to the house. I can't even do the template for the consoles. I can't do it. It's definitely ready to get started on this car. That mug is going crazy back there. The wheel turned on me, so I'm gonna end up pulling over and probably turn it. I might do a little work on it today. I'm supposed to be doing the alternator and the brakes. So it can't be real bad because when I hit the brakes just a second ago loading it, it actually had some stop. But I did change the master cylinder. And I think the wheel cylinder is gone, but that dang on carburetor, man, started sticking hard. And that junk made me feel like this motor about to explode. But that pin locked up or whatever, so I'm gonna take the carburetor out. It's a quadrijet, so you know, I love them things, but they just very timid. But I'm gonna go ahead and they temperamental. I'm gonna go ahead and take it loose, clean it out. I think I need to change that gasket under there and see what it do. But yeah, I'm on the way to the house, man. Get ready to enjoy myself, enjoy my car. That's been away from me for a little minute. So yeah, I'm gonna get some more content going. So hopefully this will be good enough for y'all to enjoy until I can get down to the next episode of this Cadillac series. And I got another series which is like the Toyota, the green one that I had done a while back that I painted. It's been sitting. So I actually found the conversion kit for that. So I'm gonna go ahead and to change it over to a 5-speed. So I'm gonna go get that. And we're gonna see what come out of that. But I'm gonna holler at you when I get to the house, get this thing unloaded, and we'll see what's up next.